I'm going to review the Zapier chatbot. Zapier is a popular automation tool that allows users to connect various apps and create workflows between them. While Zapier itself isn't specifically a chatbot builder, it can be used to integrate various chatbot platforms and automate workflows related to chatbots. For example, you can use Zapier to automatically trigger chatbot responses or connect a chatbot with other applications like email marketing tools or CRMs. In terms of safety, Zapier is widely considered a reliable and secure platform. It uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data, and it also allows users to integrate with trusted apps. Zapier's platform has been around for years and is used by many businesses and developers, so it has a reputation for being safe to use. However, since it connects to third-party apps, it's always important to review the permissions you're granting when using it with other tools, especially those related to sensitive information. If you're looking for a chatbot builder specifically, there are dedicated tools like ChatFuel, ManyChat, or Tars that specialize in creating AI-powered chatbots. But if you're seeking a platform that integrates your chatbot with various other tools and automates workflows, Zapier is a solid choice. As long as you're mindful of what apps you're connecting, it should be safe to use.